Hello children, how are you all? Okay, good. Children, in previous class, what we learned? Yes, assessment 1, right? Assessment means revision. Okay children, remind all previous chapters. So, in that class, we completed chapter from 1 to 3 chapter, right? What is that for chapter number 1? Pre-math skills. The second chapter, numbers up to 100. And third chapter is comparison of numbers. Okay. Today, our topic, assessment 2. What is the topic? Assessment. Assessment 2. Chapters from 4 to 6. Chapters from 4 to 6. So, revision. What is the chapter number 4? Additions, right? You know the additions, right? Vertical and horizontal method, you know the additions. Single digit and double digit also. Right children? And what is the 5th chapter? Subtractions. Subtraction means to remove, taken away. Yes? And what is the 6th chapter? Shapes and patterns. So these 3 chapters are very easy for you. Right? Okay. Today I explain textbook page assessment 2. Just I will explain number wise. You do it after the class. Okay children? Shall we ready? Children, what is the topic today? Assessment 2. From chapter number 4 to 6. Right children? What is the chapter number 4? Additions. Right? Next, what is chapter number 5? Subtraction. After that, what is chapter number 6? Shapes and patterns. Right? It's very easy topics for you, right? Now here only totally bits are there. Just oral bits are there. Just I'll clarify. After that, you do that these pages. Okay, children. What is the page number? 159. Okay, children. Open the page 159. After that, do these all problems. See, look at here. Assessment 2. First A bit. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct option for each of the following. There were 37 bananas and 16 oranges in a basket. How many fruits are there in all? All means bananas and oranges. First you take one notebook, rough notebook you take dear. After that, see. First, what is that? 37, right? 37 bananas. 37 bananas. Next, how many oranges are there? 16. Okay, children. After that, you do that addition. Okay. After that, first when you are doing addition or subtraction, first you mention the place values, right? Why? Because first we are adding first tens place numbers or ones place numbers. Ones place numbers only. That's why we mention place values. After that, you go to addition. Okay, children. Now, second one. Priya bought 48 bangles. She threw 12 bangles, which were broken. How many bangles are there with Priya now? Now, totally, first of all, Priya bought 48 bangles. How many bangles she brought? 48 bangles. But see, 12 bangles she took. She took 12 bangles from 48. After that, she throwing. After that, it's all broken. Bangles are broken. Now, how many left? We are doing addition or subtraction? Subtraction. Why? Because we remove bangles from 48 bangles. We remove 12 bangles from these bangles. Okay, children? Now, this is the second one. First, you do that subtraction. After that, you mention the answer, which is the right one. See here, we have 4 options, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So, dear, here only, here we have some small problem. What is that? First one, see here 4 options is that they are mistaken, totally wrong. Only answer is separate, you have to mention. Okay, children? Why? Because see here they are asking only addition. How many fruits are these in all? means addition. How many bananas and oranges? Totally how many together? But here answer is not there. Just you do that answer. After that you mention side one. Side. Okay children? Now third one. There are 47 frogs near a pond. If 12 frogs jumped into the water, there will be dash frogs left near the pond. Children, are you understand? See, look at here. What is a pond? See, this is a pond. In the pond, what is there? Water is there, right? Like swimming pool. Okay, children. Where is the frogs? Near the pond. Here there are only how many frogs are there? Totally 47 frogs are there. Near the pond. 47 frogs are there. But see what happened next? 12 frogs jumped in the water. So 12 frogs jumped in the water. See 47. Total how many frogs are there? 47. But 12 frogs are jumped in the water. So how many frogs are there? So what we are doing? Addition or subtraction? Subtraction. So you do the subtraction. After that you mention the answer. Here 4 options is there. Which is the right one? That only you have to mention. Okay children. Now fourth one. Look at here children. See. Choose the wrong statement. Choose the wrong statement. Here A, B, C, D. D, 4 different 4. A, B, C, D. Different problems are there. Which is a wrong one? Which is a wrong one? For example, first one I explain. See, 19 minus 70 minus 7. 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. See, 19 minus 7. Minus 7 means we remove, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We remove. Total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 12. Is the correct answer? Okay, this is the correct answer. Now you have to do this one, B. See this one. D after the do. Which is a wrong answer? That only you tick. Which is the wrong answer? That one only you tick. Okay children. Next. Turn the page. Now look at here children. See. Here what is this? Fifth one. Complete the pattern. See look at here. Complete the pattern. See. What is this? Here hut is there. Upside. Right side. Down, left. Up, right, down, left. Next, up is there. Up after what will come? Here, up is there. After that, what will come? What came here? Right. So, here also, right will come. So, which is the right option? This one only, right option, no? So, you tick this one. Okay, children? Next. So, you tick here. Next. Complete the pattern same like this. See. See, look at here children, which one is coming next? Okay, which is the right answer? That only you tick that one. Seventh one. 7th, 8th, 9th comes just before 90. You find before number 90. Which is the before number 90? Which number coming? That only you mention. After that comes just after 69. After 69, which number coming? That only you mention. Next, see here, dash the biggest number among these numbers. Children, here we have 45, 67, 13, 31, 76, 54 numbers is there. Which is the biggest number? That only you tick for. Okay, here 10th one. The smallest number among. See, we have different type of numbers are there. 29, 92, 63, 36, 14, 41. So, which is the smallest number? That only you tick one. Okay, children? Next. Now, B. Fill in the blanks. See, look at here, children. There were 28 mangoes in a basket, out of which 16 were used. Make salad. Dash mangoes are left in the basket. See here children, total first how many mangoes are there? 20. How many mangoes are there? 28 mangoes. How many mangoes are there? 28 mangoes. Next, how many mangoes are used for salad? 16 mangoes are using for salad. How many left are there? Okay, children. So you mention 16. After that, you do that subtraction. You do the subtraction. After that, mention the answer in the blank. Next, see, Jeff had 8 pencils and gets 4 more pencils from Ritu. Okay, children, look at here. Jeff had 8 pencils. He took from Ritu 4 more pencils. Now, the total pencils of with Jeff. So, total how many pencils are there with Jeff? First of all, 8 pencils. After that, 4 more pencils. So, total how many pencils are there? You do that addition. After that, you mention the answer. Now, third one, dash number of shapes can be formed with straight line. Straight line means, see, what is this? This is a circle, right? In the circle, we are using straight lines or curved lines? Curved lines only, right? Straight lines are here? No. In the triangle, we are using straight lines. So, triangle. Next, what is this? Square. Square also we are using only straight lines. Next, rectangle. We are using straight lines. Oval. Oval is that curved lines and straight lines. Curved lines, no? Next, diamond. We are using straight lines only. Like this, how many shapes we are prepared with straight lines you can mention. Okay, children? Now, look at here, fourth one, 37-26. Choose the correct symbol, greater than, less than and equal to. Which is the correct one? That only you have to mention. Fifth and sixth also. Okay, children? Next, C bit. State whether the following statement are true or false. Okay, children? See, look at here, children. Which one is a true, which one is a false? We have to find. Rani had 34 pebbles. She gave 13 pebbles to Ram. Rani still has 12 pebbles. Is the right answer? Now, we have to find. First, how many pebbles she have? 34 pebbles, right? She gave 13 pebbles to Ram. Now, tell me, children, how can you find out? Subtraction. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ones and tens. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. We remove only 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are there? Only 1. Next, 3 minus 1. Minus 1. How many? 21. So, is the correct answer? 12 is a? No, wrong. So, you put that false. Now, second one. The sum of 37 and 12. 37 and 12 is 49. Is it correct answer? And means addition. Okay, children? 37 plus 12. You do that addition. Is it do after that you find that answer? Is it 49? Okay. That is right option. It is 40. It is not correct. You put that false. Now, third one. The colored circle is the smallest among all the given circles. See here, children. Here in the box, total small circles are there. One circle are colored. That is the smallest circle. Is these are circle? You compare these all are circles. Is it correct? No, because here also one more small circle is there. Compared to this one, here small circle is there. Smallest circle is there. So this is a wrong option. Though, so you mention only false. Right? Now see here fourth one. Observe the pictures given below. See picture here there. What are there in the picture? Smileys, smiley faces, flowers and balls. Right? What is that first one? See how many smiles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 smiles are there. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 flowers are there. So, how many? Greater? Only flowers only. Next, balls 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. Faces 8. Flowers, how many? 4, 4, 11. 11 flowers, 8 faces, 6 balls. Now, first what is it? Among the pictures, the number of faces is the least. Faces only is the least in the picture. No, balls only least. No, so balls only 6, less number 6 only. So this is wrong option. Now the number of flowers is a greater than the number of faces. Yes, almost obviously. See, greater than greater than. See, only flowers greater than faces means how many flowers are there? Here 11 flowers are there. How many faces are there? Only 8 only is there. So which is the greatest number? Flowers only, no? So this is the right option. Okay children? Now children, next page. See here, match the following is there. Simple. Children, look at here. See, observe the picture. In this picture, we have triangles are there, rectangles are there, circles are there, oval is there. Okay children? Now see, triangles. How many triangles? Just I want a triangle, circles, rectangles, squares, oval. So first triangles. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3. Only 3 only is there? No. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 triangles are there. So which is the 8? Here only 8. You compare. You match the following. Like that, you have to count that pictures, count that shapes. After that, you mention the answers. Okay children? Are you understand this one? Children, are you understand what is the chapter assessment 2? You know that additions, subtractions, shapes and patterns, right? Okay. Thank you.